Hello everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Stock. I hope you're all doing well. It's been 2 weeks since the last video, so we're due for an update. We're going to go into the highlight section, look into the big tech of companies that recently reported. Then we're going to do the regular reporting. So let's start with the highlights. Let's start with Apple. They had a 1% sales decline year over year, so our target rate for them has been lowered to $147, and they are trading a little bit higher than that at the moment. Amazon reported a 13% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been lowered to $111, and they're trading slightly higher than that. Google reported 11% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $112, and they're trading a little bit higher than that at the moment. Meta reported 23% year-over-year sales growth, which is good. They increased their target rate to $212. And they are trading a little bit higher than that. Other companies that reported, Microsoft reported 13% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them is $298, and they're trading higher than that as well. Berkshire Hathaway reported a 21% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $390, so there is upside for Berkshire Hathaway. Boeing reported 13% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $259, so there is an upside for Boeing. Caterpillar reported a 12% year-over-year sales growth. Target rate for them has been increased to $332, so there is an upside for Caterpillar. All right, that was the highlights for this time around. We're going to go into the regular reporting, but before doing so, I want to give a shout out to today's sponsors, Momo. Who is Momo? Well, they are founded by a Nasdaq-listed fintech with over 20 million users worldwide. They provide a customer-focused trading platform where they actually understand the customers' or traders' needs. So what do we need? Well, we need low trading fees. We want to have access to free level 2 stock data. What do we want more? Well, we want also good tools so we can feel like we're trading like a pro at least. They also have other stuff. They have a long trading hours. So let's say they open 4 a.m. and they go on to 8 p.m. So you never will miss a market move again. They also is available on the desktop as well on mobile. So if you're on the go, you could trade as well if that's what you need to do. But that's not all. If you sign up with using my link below, you will actually have a chance to win some cash prizes, which is nice to hear. Up to $1,520 actually in cash prizes if you sign up. So don't miss out on that. And once you signed up, there is another contest from Momo. You can practice your trading skills. They have a paper trading contest. So if you manage to win those things, so you can win an iPhone 15 or other hot Apple products. So check it out. All right, let's go into the regular reporting. We start with the US market and we start with value stocks there. JP Morgan is now on spot number 1. They trade places with Exxon Mobil, who goes down to spot number 2. Tencent is on spot number 3. Dividends in the US market, Verizon is on spot number 1, AT&T on spot number 2, and 3M on spot number 3. When it comes to the growth stocks in the US market, here we are comparing stock sales growth versus stock price growth. So Rivian is on spot number 1. HDFC Bank is a newcomer on spot number 2. They had a 67% sales growth year over year, while the stock price was kind of stable around 3%. Li Auto is on spot number 3. Rivian and Li Auto is soon going to report, so we shall see if they still stay in this list in 2 weeks' time. Pricey ones in the US market, so this is the reverse order. If the stock price is growing faster than the sales, so XPEV is here on spot number 1, Nvidia is here on spot number 2, but mainly because also they have a high price to sale ratio, because we look into that as well. Palantir is a newcomer on spot number 3. They had a sales growth of 17%, but their stock price was up 134%, and that's the reason they are in this list. Meta is out from top 3. So this was the US market. Let's go into the Canadian market and we start with the value stocks there. Royal Bank is number 1, TD Bank is number 2, and Canadian National Resources in spot number 3. Dividends in the Canadian market. Enbridge moves up to spot number 1. Algonquin Power and Utilities retains spot number 2. And Tourmaline Oil is the one who drops down to spot number 3. Growth stocks in the Canadian market. Nuvei is on spot number 1. First Quantum is a newcomer, spot number 2. They had a 15% year-over-year sales growth, and the stock price was kind of following it, 19%. RB Global is on spot number 3. TELUS International, who was in the list before, is out from top 3 following the report. Now the other companies will soon report as well, and we shall see if they will retain their positions. Pricey ones in the Canadian market. Great-West Lifeco is on spot number 1. Onyx is on spot number 2. They had basically no sales growth. Stock price was also up just modest 2%. The reason they are in the list is that because they have a very high price-to-sale ratio. Suncor is in this list as well as a newcomer. Sales declined 27%, while the stock price was kind of stable around 3%. Meg Energy, Baytex Energy, who was in the list before, is out from top 3. But soon the other companies might report, so we shall see if those list remains in the next time we do the report, hopefully in 2 weeks' time. Well, thank you so much for watching. That's the report for this time around. If you like this videos, please like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy these videos. You can also follow me on NextStockYT on the X, and where I will post whenever there is something interesting happening with the stocks. And you can also comment here or there on X about things that you want me to do in the shows. All right, always gather a lot of information before jumping ahead purchasing stocks. Why not sign up for Momo and maybe win some cash prizes or test your trading skills? All right, all the best. Until next time, bye-bye.